We see the city burn down, smoke rise where there was crown. But I and I don't mourn for Rome. Me spirit chant, let Zion come. Me dig the ground with bare hand. Me plant me food in blessed land. From broken stone and falling gate, Rasta man build something great. Earth will rise again from fire and ash. Truth will shine again through every clash. Babylon fall, but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Green and bright, sun will heal what was lost tonight. Telling you them hold the flame. Jah never sleep, Jah still reign. Me hear the cry of elders past. Them whisper, hold it, this too shall last. Me now build back what caused pain. Me sow in peace, I reap in rain. Me teach the little ones the craft, to love the soil, to build, to laugh. Me now upon the Savior throne, we rest together stone by stone. Yo, when the empire crumble and crash, me still got the seeds in my stash. Me still the firewood, drum and heart. Me still got love for tech we start. Them ruled by greed, me ruled by grace. Them build with guns, me build with bass. We forward with tree, drum and pen. We chant the word, earth rise again. Earth will rise again from fire and ash. Truth will shine again through every clash. Babylon fall, but roots still strong. Creation sing redemption song. Green and bright, sun will heal what was lost tonight. Telling you them hold the flame. Jah never sleep, Jah still reign. Build backyard with healing hand. Not just house but overstand. The tree grow tall, the river clear. Me see a future coming near. Earth rise again. Yes I, yes I.
Me wash my soul in suffering blood, but still me stand, still me chant. Me never give up the warrior want. Them try to break me with law and shame, but me roots go deeper in a pain. Me call on Jah, me hold the faith. Now me step through Zion gate. From the ashes I rise again, lifted high by Jah and pen. Scars on mark, but soul still clean. Truth and fire make me gleam. From the ashes I find my voice. Now be silent, I rejoice. Every tear, now feed the flame. All the ruin I reclaim again. Me lose my way, me lose some friends, but you bring life to start again. My mother say, child, don't cry. Sometimes I tear down for build life. Now my heart beats stronger still. Me climb every mountain, bend every hill. Me not rich, but me not soul. Me walk with love, me step bold. Them see ashes, but me see seed. Every last plant I just did. The fire test me, me never yield. Now me stand tall in Zion field. Me not boast, me give thanks. Shall lift me up from wicked ranks. So me chant in a dancehall, chant on street. My life a song, my words a beat. From the ashes, I rise again. Lifted high by Jah and pen. Scars on mark, but so still clean. Truth and fire make me gleam. From the ashes, I find a voice. Now be silent, I rejoice. Every tear, now feed the flame. All the ruin I reclaim. There's not to conquer, but to heal. My love deeper than pain can feel. My joy simple, a morning breeze. My truth steady like ancient trees. And when you feel it break apart, remember Jah live in every heart. You too shall rise, just wait and see. Jah make gold from misery. like prophecy. Wash away the hurt, the shame, the pride, and leave love strong on the inside. Yes, a river inside, to provide. Me not trying to learn to ride. Let every drop my soul revive. Child river make I feel alive. Me used to hide, me used to run, but now I face pain and rise like sun. Me let go hate, me let go blame. Me call Jah name and light reclaim. Each year I pray out, me not pretend. Every wound a lesson, just send. So me sing not for fame or show. Me sing for heal and help love grow. Jah river come, let it flow. In all the silence, that's where you know. No need for preach or book or goal. Just clean heart and hands to hold. You're no weak for feel, strong for cry. Jah give rain as well as sky. So when the storm come, knock your gate. Hold firm, Jah never late. There's a river inside, flowing through me, cool and clear like prophecy. Wash away the hurt, the shame, the pride, and leave love strong on the inside. Yes, a river inside, Jah provide. Me not trying to learn to ride. Let every drop my soul revive. Jah river make I feel alive. Me no need growth to feel my worth. My roots go deep in our Jah earth. My voice is small but still me sing. From my heart a healing spring. Inside, Jah river inside. Let it flow, let it guide. Let it flow, let it guide. Let it flow, let it guide. Birth connected, deeply reflective, perfect for slow roots, Riddims or Naya Bindi chant mix, cool them singing holy sign. Me I need no church feel kneel before we speak what Babylon conceal. Roots and river, sun and clay, all the praises in them way. The trees still play when mama chant. The hills still echo what Allah taught. The river hum, Jah melody true. Creation always sing to you. Then cut down tree and poison seed. Still Jah presence never flee. Beside the truth where roots dig low, in places them machines stand on. The spirit lift with the scent of rain. The grow remember every name. We walk with barefoot reverence. Jah creation, whole evidence. Me I need cathedral walls. The temple live where waterfall calls. The sun come from hummingbird. The song them whisper not overheard. Me eat from the land, me chant with the trees. Me humble self cause Jah bless me needs. Me not forget that earth is womb. So me plant with love, make Eden bloom. Bloom, 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 bloom. Bloom, 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 bloom. The trees still play when mama chant. The hills still echo what Babylon got. The river hum, Jah melody true. Creation always sing to you. So if you're lost and can't hear clear, go to the roots, Jah always near. Put ear to ground and close your eyes. You hear Jah voice beneath the sky. Let the trees still pray through you. Let the sky declare what's true. In the silence, learn to see Jah live in you, Jah live in me.
still pray to you. The broke down tree and poison sea, still Jah presence never flee.
Still trod down tree and poison seed, still Jah presence never flee. The psychic truth where roots dig low, in places them machines can't go. The spirit lift with the scent of rain, the ground remember every name. We walk with barefoot reverence, Jah creation, whole evidence. Me I need cathedral walls, the temple live where waterfall calls. The sound come from hummingbird, the song them whisper not overheard. Me eat from the land, me chop with the trees. Me humble self cause Jah bless me needs. Me not forget that earth is womb, so me plant with love, make Eden bloom. Watchman, don't want the people of spiritual vision and righteous defense against corruption. I stand on the wall like a watchman, eyes open, fire in me hand. Me see the storm before it rise, me feel a weep before the cries. Sound the horn for all who sleep, the hour near and judgment deep. Them dress evil in fancy name, but your light reveal the shame. I am the watchman calling out truth, one voice rise from the burning youth. Time can't wait, no time for fear. Your message loud and I'll make it clear. I am the watchman guarding the gate, warning the people before it's too late. Who will hear when trumpet blow? Fire come down like river flow. Them leaders smile but plot in vain. Them speak sweet but full of shame. Me sight the mark, me know the sign. Me not drink wine if it ain't divine. So me chant with heart of steel, tell them truth them can't conceal. Rust on the play, no Babylon part. Me stand strong with lion heart. Yo, watchman they pan tower tall, chanting judgment for Babylon fall. They build them kingdom on sun and fraud, but I stand firm with Jah God. Me don't need gun, me don't need crown, me only need word sound, power sound. So sound the alarm, let wicked flee. Just hold your eyes eternally. I am the watchman calling out truth, one voice rise from the burning youth. Time can't wait, no time for fear. Your message loud and I'll make it clear. I am the watchman guarding the gate, warning the people before it's too late. Who will hear when trumpet blow? Fire come down like river flow. Listen fire behind the hill, them laughing now but soon get still. I knock the drum, I chant the song, the sword is word, my grip is calm. So if you hear then heed me cry, Jah not sleep when time soon fly. Who will stand when justice come? Who will dance to the judgment drum?